This Nissan Elgrand compact automatic campervan is perfect for couples. The electric sliding side door opens into a surprisingly spacious interior, where the swivel front seats create comfortable seating for four around a removable table. The perfect place for dining, relaxing, or planning your next adventure. Practicality is built into the design, with handy storage cupboards throughout and a good-sized fridge freezer, giving you plenty of room for food, drinks, and all your touring essentials. Up front, the automatic transmission makes the Elgrand effortless to drive, whether you're touring country lanes or cruising on the motorway. The pop-top roof provides additional sleeping space for a small child, or, if travelling as a couple, extra storage for bedding, luggage, and everyday essentials. Moving around to the rear, you'll find one of this campervan's standout features. The generous worktop includes a dual-burner gas hob and integrated sink, allowing you to cook inside the camper or beneath the open tailgate, making the most of outdoor living. There are also two spacious rear storage cupboards, along with USB charging points and 240-volt sockets, keeping everything organised and your devices powered wherever your adventure takes you. When it's time for bed, the seating quickly folds flat to create a generous double bed, complete with a self-inflating mattress for added comfort. Outside, you'll find the 240-volt electric hookup, along with two camping chairs and an outdoor table, giving you everything you need to enjoy relaxed alfresco dining wherever the road takes you.
Book with confidence at GoGallivanting.co.uk. No hidden fees, insurance included, and verified owners across the UK.